Hello friends, welcome to Santhi Online Plants. In today's video, we are going to see about common mistakes in Agloanema plant. Agloanema plants are famously known as Chinese evergreen. It belongs to Aeraceae family. Aglo's plants are in so many shades: white, pink, and red, and so many. We Santhi Online Plants offers well-rooted Agloanema varieties at affordable price. Now we can move to the first mistake, using of wrong growth medium or the soil mix. The using of wrong growth medium or the soil mix leads to the plant death. Majority of the component using in our soil mix are 20% of vermicompost and 80% of treated coco pit. The treated coco pit contains goat manure, cow manure, neem cake and groundnut cake and panchakavya. Agloanemas are prefers to grow in well aerated soil or growth medium and avoid grow in soil tight texture. Let us move to the second mistake, overexposure to sunlight. It may lead to sunburn, pale colored foliage and color variation among the plants. It requires only 70% of shades. The most ideal condition for good plant growth is bright filtered sunlight only for 2 to 3 hours in shaded areas. Third one is overwatering. Very common in indoor plant is overwatering. Overwatering leads to root rot. It may lead to plant death after few days. Agloanema plants requires only regular moisture like regular misting over the plants and growth medium. Fourth one is not to apply fungicide or the pesticide. In case of fungal attack or the pest attack, apply neem oil once in a 2 weeks as a foliar spray in diluted form. Application of groundnut cake powder monthly once for the foliage growth of the plant. It supplies good amount of NPK. Final one is overfeeding, that is over fertilizing. Too much of anything is bad for everything. Over fertilizing may lead to leaf drying at the edges, unhealthy looks of plants and stem rotting. Fertilizer application should be given at appropriate rate. Now we can see about benefits of Agloanema. It is vivid colored foliage. It requires only minimal care and need very little amount of water. It gives contrast and stunning looks in indoor environment. Hope you guys understood about common mistakes we are doing in our Agloanema's plant care. For more indoor plants and varieties, kindly visit our website www.santhionlineplants.com. We'll come back with another useful videos. Until then, this is bye from Ashwini. Thank you all. Go green and save green.